Hi everyone, and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, there's no getting away from what this coin is about. It's all over the box. It is the latest Batman coin. You can see there on the outer packaging that it is an official licensed product from DC Comics, which is very cool and a great addition to the Batman collection. Very, very cool. You can see the awesome Batman there. And we are about to get into the coin itself. But first, let's check out some of the coin stats. So you can see here it is a 1 ounce silver colorized Batarang coin. That's right, an actual Batarang. Very, very cool. It's got 5,000 pieces to this mintage, and it is a 1 ounce silver coin, which is very, very nice. Now, of course, you can see we've just looked at the certificate. It comes in this super cool box and this really, really unique capsule. This is the colorized version. There is a version that is just plain silver, but this one does have the color on one side of the coin, and you can see there, yes, it is a legal tender coin, hence why I'm saying coin and not metal. Let's get a better look at this, get it out of the capsule. Oh, it's so cool. How fun is this? So there you go. We'll get a little bit closer and see the coloring done there. I just love how when you've colorized this piece, the rim, the silver rim stands out so much more, which is really, really cool. And those edges of the Batarang just look so sharp. Just awesome. There's definitely no way around it. This coin is very uniquely shaped. It is struck for the country of Samoa. So you've got Samoa there on the obverse, and also some more licensing details there on the side. It is a 2022 coin, and this total mintage, as I mentioned before, is 5,000 pieces. So 5,000 of these colored Batarang coins are whizzing around out there in the world. And if you are a Batman fan, this Batarang is definitely something you may want to add to your collection. Just love the detail there, just the way it's been struck, just this sharp finish on the edges of the Batarang is very cool. You can imagine it flying through the air, whipping around. It's actually very hard not to physically throw this. You just have the need to do that. Maybe it's just me. But if this is something you'd like to add to part of your collection, you can pick it up from www.emk.com.